amigos and amigas, good morning. Today is really windy and look at this foreigner here. Ayan po siya, namumulot po siya ng mga bato. At ito po yung weather natin for today's video, for today's vlog. Ayan, medyo gloomy na naman po yung ating weather. Pero medyo okay na compared to some few days ago. Pero I'm sure later on uulan ulit. Ayan, pagkalaki-laki po ng bato na kanyang napulot. Ayan. Look at that. He's carrying a big rock. And look at him. He's already really red, his color. So what can you say to that big rocks that you carrying? Look at you.
From a long way back.
You're so
Determined.
filthy. That foreigner picking up rocks all over here in this place.
Very slippery.
Yeah.
Not just weight.
He's picking
It's very hard to.
rocks.
It's heavy but hard
Big
to.
rocks. Not only small rocks but really big rocks like this.
I've got it here.
Look at that. He's carrying a big rocks like that.
From a
That's all that
long way.
the rocks that he got. Yeah, from a long way down there. And look at him now. He's going again to pick up some more pebbles and rocks.
Do me a video of mine.
Yeah, over there on that place. So what can you say to the weather for today? It's like quite nice, windy.
Forecast.
Yeah.
Warning on my phone.
And there's some more few workers there on the rice field.
Yeah, they planted the rice up.
Still carry on
The day now planting
working
the
and
rice.
planting the rice.
But heavy rain is due. So it's got heavy rain.
Yeah, it's really windy, guys. Windy,
Very heavy.
but yeah, it's cool. It's a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, no more rain, but sooner or later, as what I said, I'm sure it will gonna rain again, start again. Can you see that? It's windy. Look at the trees that shaking their branches. This is the weather for today's vlog. And this is my plants here. I got tomatoes, 2 tomatoes plant, and I got flowers there. There's a yellow one, and there's some fuchsia pink here. Yeah, look at my flowers. And this one also got flowers, small tiny flowers. And this one is the one that I really like. Yeah, and got seeds now. Some of the seeds I collect it already so that I can plant them more right in there. I have space to plant for them there. And this one, I got this from Don Salvador. Shout out to my cousin from Don Salvador. Yeah, thank you so much for this plant. And this is our road. There's some ducks there. Yan, kumakain po sila ng mga mangga, Indian mango. Wow, napakahangin po dito mga guys. Ayan, sobrang hangin pero ayos lang, maganda yung panahon, walang ulan at yung mga bata, parang ayun, lumalabas na sila, naglalaro, kahit papano. Ini-enjoy muna nila kahit pansamantala lamang ang pagtigil ng ulan dahil sa nakikita ko parang uulan pa rin po siya. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung kalangitan natin, diba, ang itim-itim ng ulap, kaya masasabi kong uulan pa rin siya. Dito yung aming garahian, ayan yung aming motorsiklo dyan, at meron pa kami dito mga tanim, mga plants and flowers here. This, yeah, did you see this? Flowers now, orange, and there's also pink there, and there's also some red ones there. All these plants I got this during our motorcycle travel, when I'm riding in a motorcycle and I saw a plant at the side of the road. I just told to my boyfriend to stop for a while because I want some branches or seeds of plants to plant here in our place also. So that's the story. Yan po ang kwento ng mga ano namin. Ganito lang po yung update natin for today's vlog. At ito yung aming side ng bahay. Yes, want some video also?
Yeah,
From your, yeah, on your phone.
So,
okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much for watching, amigas and amigas.
Thumbs up, like the video.
Yeah. Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Take care. God bless everyone. See you on my next video. Bye bye.